Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800, a car that has been a staple in the Indian automotive landscape for decades. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every aspect of this iconic hatchback, from its design and performance to its features and overall value proposition. Design and exterior. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 retains its compact dimensions, making it an ideal choice for urban environments where space is at a premium. The car measures 3,430 mm in length, 1,490 mm in width, and 1,475 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,360 mm. These dimensions contribute to its nimble handling and ease of parking in tight city spaces. One of the notable updates in this model is the introduction of sleek LED headlamps, which not only enhance visibility during night driving but also add a modern touch to the car's front fascia. The body-colored bumpers and black door handles maintain a balance between aesthetics and cost-effectiveness. The Alto 800 rides on 12-inch steel rims fitted with 145 ADR12 tires, which are adequate for its size and intended use. Interior and comfort. Stepping inside, the Alto 800 offers a functional and straightforward cabin layout. The dual-tone interior color scheme in dark gray provides a pleasant ambience. The seats are upholstered in vinyl, which, while not as premium as fabric or leather, is durable and easy to clean, an advantage in the budget car segment. The front seats come with integrated headrests, and the rear bench seat can accommodate up to 3 passengers. Though it's more comfortable for 2 adults. The car provides a boot space of 177 liters, sufficient for daily groceries or small luggage. However, for longer trips requiring more cargo space, the rear seats can be folded to expand the storage capacity. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Alto 800 is powered by a 796cc, 3-cylinder, F8D petrol engine. This engine produces a maximum power of 48 bhp at 6,000 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 69 Nm at 3,500 revolutions per minute. While these figures may seem modest, they are adequate for city commuting and occasional highway drives. The engine is mated to a 5-speed manual transmission, which offers smooth gear shifts. The front-wheel drive configuration ensures predictable handling, and the car's lightweight construction, with a curb weight of 695 kilograms, contributes to its fuel efficiency and agility. Fuel efficiency. Fuel efficiency has always been a strong selling point for the Alto series. The 2025 model continues this tradition with an impressive mileage of 24.7 kmpl, as per RI standards. This efficiency makes it an economical choice for daily commuters, especially in times of fluctuating fuel prices. For those seeking even greater fuel savings, Maruti Suzuki offers a CNG variant of the Alto 800. The CNG model delivers a mileage of approximately 33.44 km/kg, making it one of the most fuel-efficient options in its class. This variant is particularly appealing to environmentally conscious buyers and those looking to reduce running costs. Features and technology. In terms of features, the Alto 800 focuses on essential functionalities. The car comes equipped with a manual air conditioner, which is effective in maintaining cabin comfort during hot weather. Power steering is standard, aiding in maneuverability, especially in congested traffic conditions. The higher variants of the Alto 800 offer front power windows, enhance inconvenience for the driver and front passenger. However, rear power windows are not available, which is a consideration for potential buyers. The instrument cluster is analog, featuring a speedometer and basic warning indicators. While it lacks advanced digital displays, it provides clear and straightforward information to the driver. Safety features. Safety is a critical aspect of any vehicle. and the Alto 800 incorporates several features to ensure occupant protection. The car is equipped with dual front airbags, providing a basic level of safety in the event of a collision. Additionally, the Alto 800 comes with an engine immobilizer, central locking, and child safety locks, enhancing security and safety for families. However, it's important to note that advanced safety features such as ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a rear view camera are not available in this model. Prospective buyers should consider these omissions when evaluating the car's safety credentials. Ride and handling. The Alto 800's suspension setup consists of gas-filled McPherson struts at the front and a 3-link rigid axle with coil springs at the rear. This configuration is tuned to provide a balance between comfort and handling. While the ride quality is generally comfortable for city driving, the car may feel unsettled over rough patches due to its compact size and lightweight construction. The manual steering, though lacking power assistance in the base variant, is responsive and provides adequate feedback. The car's turning radius of 4.6 meters makes it easy to navigate through tight corners and narrow streets, a significant advantage in urban settings. Pricing and variants. Maruti Suzuki offers the Alto 800 in multiple variants to cater to different customer preferences and budgets. The base variant, STD non-metallic, is priced at approximately a superscript 12.82 lakh, ex-showroom, making it one of the most affordable cars in the market. The top-end variant, the XI Plus, comes at around a superscript 13.65 lakh, ex-showroom, offering additional features such as a music system and body-colored ORVMs. The CNG variants are priced slightly higher, with the LXI CNG non-metallic variant available at a superscript 14.02 lakh, ex-showroom. While the initial cost is higher, the savings in fuel expenses over time can offset the price difference for buyers with high daily usage. Competitors. In the entry-level hatchback segment, the Alto 800 faces competition from models like the Renault Kwid, Datsun Redigo, and Hyundai Santro. Each of these competitors offers unique features and design elements. For instance, the Renault Kwid boasts a more SUV-like stance and a touchscreen infotainment system, while the Hyundai Santro provides a more spacious interior and additional comfort features. However, the Alto 800's strengths lie in its proven reliability, extensive service network, and strong resale value. These factors continue to make it a preferred choice among first-time car buyers and those seeking a hassle-free ownership experience. Conclusion. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 stays true to its roots as an affordable, reliable, and fuel-efficient hatchback. While it may not boast the latest technology or advanced safety features, it offers a practical and economical solution for daily commuting needs. Its compact size, efficient engine, and low maintenance costs make it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. For those prioritizing affordability and ease of ownership, the Alto 800 remains a compelling choice in the entry-level car segment. However, buyers seeking more modern amenities and advanced safety features may need to explore higher segments or consider alternative models within the same price range. Thank you for joining us in this detailed review of the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800. We hope this comprehensive analysis helps you make an informed decision if you're considering this vehicle as your next car. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.